Hello there, and today we're going to cover how to find and update your ClickFunnels 2.0 SEO site settings. So the first thing we're going to do is click on Site. Next, we're going to come over to this gear icon. Click here to edit our site settings. Okay, and so we can see here we have the site title, the domain, the Favicon icon here. So we can update that right there by uploading a new image. Keep in mind of the resolutions for the Favicon are there. I'll scroll down here. We've got the SEO and sharing information. So if you'd like to update and override the default page title, you could do that here. Next, we've got the description. So this is going to tell your visitors what the page is about. So if you show up on Google searches, you can entice those visitors to click on that link using this description. Keep in mind you want to put your keyword, whether that's just your brand or the product you're selling, or the keywords could be the service you provide, right? So make sure that the most important information is in that description as well. Next, we've got the default sharing image. So if you were to share the URL to your website on Facebook, for example, there would be an image that you selected here, opposed, to it just selecting the first image it finds, which may not be the best image. It may not be the most enticing image that could get more clicks and visits to your site. So you may want to manually update and upload this share image here. Real quick, if I were to search for ClickFunnels here, this would be the site title. This would be the description. Okay. And so that would help you understand what you're writing about in those text boxes, in those fields, where that's going to show up. So let me go to the ClickFunnels site, and you'll notice we've got a title up here. So the title will also be showing up here when we do visit the site, and that informs the users what they're going to be visiting when they click on that link in the Google results, and of course helps them find this site when they have multiple tabs open. So next, I'm visiting the Facebook Sharing Debugger tool. I found this on Google by typing Facebook Sharing Debugger. I just typed in ClickFunnels, and so now I can see there's a link preview, and that is the image that they have selected as their default image. Actually, I could be wrong. It could just be the first image that the browser thinks is the best to use, but this one has a lot of text. I imagine that this is the one they manually select as their default. So just keep in mind when you're sharing your links, if you're not selecting a default share image, it's going to pick whichever, the browser will pick whichever one it thinks is best to display. So it's always good to have a nice, attractive looking, enticing default share image. So if you have any other questions, please leave a comment. Be happy to help.